Hey all, welcome back to my channel. This is my 2023 Mazda CX-30 Carbon Edition. I love this car. I love the paint color. I love the interior. Those red leather seats are just to die for, but I'm not such a big fan of the black flooring, the black carpet, and the floor mats. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to install these guys. These are diamond stitched all-weather floor mats, and they can be made for any make or vehicle. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. But the cool thing about it is that they are molded specifically for your model car. So let's see how to install them. The first thing you need to do is remove your original mats. So I'm taking the mats out of the front as well as the loose mats that are sitting in the back. Now the second step is to pull your seats all the way forward. I wanted to do the back flooring first, so I'm pushing all of my seats to the front and raising the seat rest as well. Number 3, place the mats. This is such an easy job to do. All you have to do is press the flooring into place, and it has a really kind of the texture of the backside really grips the carpet. Then what I did was, all I want to do now is just tuck in the loose ends. I'm pulling it in under the seat, do a little tap dance there, and then I'm taking any of the trim pieces where the mat is sitting on the outside, tuck them in and turn it under. This is what custom-made floor mats look like, and they're designed around the railing of your seats. Pull your seats back and let's get started on the front. Before I installed the driver's side, I vacuumed it out just to clean it, then repeat the steps that I did previously for the back and just place everything in and tuck it in and under any of the trim pieces. And I will tell you that there are some included accessories that come with these. There is some double-sided Velcro tape that you can use if you're having any issues with pieces that are like folded out or something. And then you have these clips, and I'll show you how to install the clips here in a minute. But what I wanted to show you also is that how easy the passenger side seat is as well. And you see, the great thing is that they're molded for your particular vehicle, which makes it super easy to install. And they go around the railing of the seat. And here is what I want to show you about the clip. So I've decided on the passenger side, right as the entry part, I wanted to make sure that, you know, feet don't pull it and that kind of thing to unsecure it, to pull it out. But I just put the little clip on and then push the clip under the trim. And then there you go. On the driver's side, I pulled up the little trim piece at the door entry, and then I just tucked the mat under it. And I did decide to go ahead and use one more of those clips because with my clumsy feet, I'll end up ripping the stuff out. But anyway, here's what the final product looks like. It's so great. I love the red, complementing the red, and it brightens up the cabin so much more. And if you found this video helpful, you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. And also don't forget to check out some of my other DIY projects I have on my DIY playlist. I'll see you next time.